Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you guys having a Hyundai Sonata. If you guys have a Hyundai Sonata, you want to know what are the symptoms of bad Vvt Solenoid. This is also known as variable timing solenoid. Stay with us guys and we're going to explain that today. Now, this device guys, okay, can create quite a bit of headache and we're going to cover all that today, but sometimes you may think you have a bad Vvt Solenoid and it could be something else, so make sure to stay until the end. So this should actually work on Hyundai Sonata generation from year 2010 all the way to year 2015 guys. Also, let me introduce you quick to the channel. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the links in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, and specifically guys on this Hyundai Sonata we'll have more than 300 videos, mechanical videos that will be uploaded on the channel you're watching right now, and we'll have more than 200 electrical videos about diagnostics, fixing electrical components, and that will be posted on our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out guys. Everything okay will be shared so we can guys save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. So this guy specifically right here, it's a 2013 Hyundai Sonata, but even if you have a different engine guys, the symptoms will be about the same. Now right here, that's the intake Vvt solenoid. Intake and exhaust, most of the times they don't differ much. The connector may be different angle or different length, but they go on the cylinder head guys. Okay, let's remove that valve cover. You can see one of them will be right here, one is towards the back over there. Most of the times on newer vehicles you will have two of those, one on the intake camshaft, one on the exhaust camshaft. When they start failing guys, okay, you may experience multiple symptoms, but the funny thing about those things is that often they don't fail, okay, and you wonder why. Okay, why you have a problem? Because they might be just dirty and sticking solenoids, and we have a special video that explains how to clean Vvt solenoid on Hyundai Sonata. Check it out, it will teach you all about that. In other cases it could be guys, you have the actuator right here that the solenoid activates. It could be dirty engine oil can cause that, and if you use an engine flush, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Use that engine flush, it can actually guys improve that and clean your system. We've done it on a Porsche and it worked amazing guys, so you get the idea. Now this is the solenoid right here. What are the symptoms? One of them guys, okay, very common, it could be rough idle. Rough idle can do that. Because if the solenoid is sticking, it may not activate the variable timing and your engine may be affected. Another thing guys, let's say you're driving down the road, all of a sudden you see a red light or a stop sign, you stop and your car dies, all of a sudden restart it and it starts fine. Okay, it could be dirty or sticking solenoid as well, or malfunctioning. Now something else, you may experience guys increased fuel consumption, burning more fuel, and not having enough power when climbing up hills, under load, unstable engine operation could be something else. But the most common ones that we've noticed, rough idle and car dies at stoplights. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful. If you need to see how to replace it, we have the video on the channel how to replace Vvt solenoid on Hyundai Sonata. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.